Alright, so here we are. Okay, looks like I'm recording. Off we go. It's actually very comfortable. It's better than plane. Let's see what you got here. Little window. Yeah, so this is the one we're driving.
That's fast.
Flying. Alright guys, we made it. This thing. I think it's gotta do that way.
So it's super windy. It even rained. We weren't really lucky with the weather this time because we bought the tickets in advance and we didn't know that what kind of weather it will be.
We still gotta do something.